Welcome to Elite Technique, the all-in-one fence software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. Today, we're going over how to create a product and how to set it up. Let's get started. Click on the 9 dots located on the upper left part of the screen. Go into the Sales app, which is the little bars graph icon. Click on Products located on the top of the screen. Again, click on Products that appears from the drop-down menu. Click on Create to create a new product. Give your product a name. By default, the boxes next to Can Be Sold and Can Be Purchased will be checked on, but you can deactivate them if you want. Check on the box next to Published only if your system is connected to an online retail store. If you're creating a product to use with the drawing tool, like for example wood fence, you need to check on the box next to Show to Polyline. The system will then prompt you to select the color for the fence line when you draw fence using this material style. You can still change the color for any option available when using the drawing tool though. If the product you're creating are gates, you need to check on the box next to Show to Map. If it's a product where you offer more than one option, you need to check on the box next to where it says Highlight in Order Lines. In the General Information tab, we must select if this is an inventory, non-inventory, or a service product next to Product Type, and also select the correct product category. We advise you not to maintain a sales price if your products have variants. The system is more designed toward you maintaining cost. Here you can also set the customer taxes, and we strongly advise you not to change the units of measure or purchase units of measure. If you really need to make changes here, feel free to reach out and we will be more than glad to assist you. Next is the meat and potatoes of product creation in Elite Technique. Click on the Variants tab. This is where we include all the different options that we offer for this product that we're creating. We add attributes like height, width, design, color, style, etc. After we have these options, the system will automatically create all the variations of the product based on the variants we created or added. Do not perform any changes to the elements within the Sales tab. In the Purchase tab, we list all our vendors and what they charge us for their products. If this is a product that you will keep in stock or your company manages inventory, in the Inventory tab, you can assign a responsible party for the logistics, and you can also add information like manufacturing and customer lead time. If your company has multiple stages of purchasing or multiple warehouses, you can build route diagrams. Next off is the most important tab of all, the Fence Type tab. This is where we teach the product exactly what it is and how it behaves in the system. We can either type it as a main product like wood fence, or if it's a product category of the main product, we first select the correct category and then we select the correct part or piece. If it's a service product, we then select the correct labor cost. Finally, there's an accounting tab / module where you can set your income account and also configure all your payables. You can also add 2 images for the product by clicking on the little pencil in the image boxes and uploading the desired image or picture. It's very important to note that Elite Technique will provide you with the deploy base of products. These are the average fence products accompanied by the average attributes and bound to the average templates. If this is enough for your company and it goes by your guidelines, all you have to do is add any attribute not included in this deploy bay list, making the process even more simple. That's how we create and set up a product from scratch in Elite Technique. Thank you very much.